I chose to do an apprenticeship with Kawasaki because the opportunities that I've been given have helped me learn a lot more than I think I could have anywhere else. And I really enjoy earning while I learn. What I love about my apprenticeship with Kawasaki is learning from industry expert and being taught on all the state-of-the-art equipment here in metrology.
Kawasaki is an internationally renowned business and is synonymous with high quality pumps and motor manufacturer. We're very proud to be at the top of our class in terms of quality. We have over 20 time-served apprentices here at Kawasaki. Our ex-apprentices have gone on to become production engineers, setters, machine setters, and even our chair of board, Steve Cardew, started his life with Kawasaki as an apprentice. Our apprentices spend 1 day a week at Plymouth Engineering Skills Center, which is a great place for the apprentices to learn core skills. And then they come back to the Kawasaki site in Plymouth to continue their development. So there's plenty of opportunities to glean lots of knowledge to help them in their studies. During the apprenticeship, the apprentice will be deployed into different areas of the business and get a great overall view of how our operation works. And that then allows them to be able to sort of decide what sort of specialism they want to go into when they've completed their apprenticeship. We feel that apprenticeships are an integral part of the development of our company. It's really important to us at Kawasaki that we continue to bring people on board, especially apprentices, to help develop us into the future.
When I complete my apprenticeship, I hope to continue working here at Kawasaki and to progress higher into the company. For anyone choosing between university or an apprenticeship, I personally believe that an apprenticeship is the best route because not only do you get a qualification at the end of the apprenticeship, but you also get to earn while you learn.